Hi everyone. So I am giving a demo of a Flutter app to insert and delete data using SQLite database. So let me start the app and show you a demo. So I am using Android Studio for coding and also to show the app demo in our virtual phone. So this is how our home screen looks like. So from add new to do, we can input a task name, and if we click on add, the task get added. We can also check this task if it is done, and then we can also delete this task as per our requirement. So this is how our UI looks like. So if I come to my main.dart file, so this is how that my dart file look, where I'm launching my app. I've also designed a homepage.dart. So basically in this homepage.dart file, we have created functions and widgets to communicate with each other, and also we have created a database object to connect to our database. So this is the function to add item in our database using the method insert to do, and to do is our table name in our database. This is a delete function to delete the task from the database, and this is the styling of our UI. All the color, background color and font, whatever you are seeing in the UI page, this is the function. And in the to-do list, we are calling the insert function and the delete function, and we are also taking the user input in the insert function as well. So basically if we come to our next file, so this is the to-do card.dart. So what is to-do card.dart? So basically when we are inputting a task in our app, it shows as a card. So so for this I have created a dart file. So if you see, it has a ID, it has a title, and it also has a date of creation and time. So basically we have created variables for this. So we have ID, title, creation date. We have also insert function and delete function. So if we come below, so in our widget we are using these functions, and also so this is for the checkbox we are having. So this is the checkbox we are having. So I have created a widget for that also. So so if I come below, so this is how our to-do card looks like what is the font and what is the color, how it takes the date format. So all styling I have done in this part. And this is icon button on press, which says that if we click on the cross button, it will delete the task. So this is what functionality it has in this method. Now this is how the to-do card looks like. Now if we come to the to-do list.dart, so what this part says is that we are basically retrieving the list of tasks we are having. Like if we insert more than one task in our database, so it basically returns us the list of tasks we are having in our database. So basically, so for that I have created a dart file. We are also taking a snapshot of the data to show like what data we are having in our database. And so basically we are returning the list of data from our database, whatever we are having, like with the ID, title, creation date. And also we have this insert function and delete function to include more tasks in this list. Now we are moving to the next file. This is user input.dart file. So user input.dart file basically says that what user is inputting in this part. So we have designed this user input box and also the add button here. So if we see here, so basically we have designed this box using the color and whatever font size and size, border, radius, circular, whatever we are styling, we have put it here. And for the for on tap, so basically we have a gesture detector method. So basically when users puts the task name, when we click on add, it basically takes the time and the date of creation as well. So this part is the decoration of the add button we have here, the style, the color, and the font size, whatever we have. Now if we come to the DB model, so basically this is how I have designed my database. So if we see here, we are creating a getter method and to open a connection to our database, and we have also named our database as todo.db, and this is the path of the database in our local device. And finally we are joining the DB path and the DB name using this method. And then after that, here I have created table in our database, like create table to do. So to do is the name of our table, which has id, title, creation date, and is checked is integer true or not, whether it has database or not, sorry, data in our database or not. And if I move to the next part, so this is how we are inserting data in our database. So this is the final db await database, so await db.insert. So basically this is our to do table where the data is getting inserted, and we are inserting using map function. And we have also used a conflict algorithm in our data. So basically what is happening, that if it will replace the duplicate entry. And we have also a delete function here. So basically we are also deleting data from our database. If we click on any of the cross button, we are deleting the data from the database. So this function is implemented here, and this is to fetch the database, whatever database for data from the database whatever we are having. And we are also sorting the data in descending order with respect to id. And and in this part we are basically converting the text format date and time to a original date time format. So whatever task we are having, it also retrieves the date and time from the system, right? So date and time we are taking as a text format before, but we are typecasting it to the date time format here. And this also this is also the update to do function. So if we want to update our database, update any data, any record in our database. And this is the final design of our database. So basically how it is designed, so basically we have created this to do constructor where it has id, title, creation date, and is checked. And we have also used a map concept to save the data in our database. Like if we close the app and if we open the app again, retrieves back our data. So for that we have used the map function. And also this part, creation date to string. Why we have typecasted it to string? Because database does not support the date time, so it will save as text. So basically this is all we are having in our app. And also for SQLite dependencies, we have added any version of dependency of SQLite, where we have intl dependencies also in our pubspec.yml file. So this is all about our app, and hope you have liked it, and thank you for watching the video.